how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. So if you're seeing this error message when trying to visit a website, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve this. So first thing we can do is click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side of the browser and then click on Settings. In the left hand side, click on Privacy and Security and then click on Security. You'll then need to scroll down and click on Standard Protection. Once you have this selected, scroll down again. Make sure Always Use Secure Connections is turned off and disabled like this. You'll then need to scroll down to Use Secure DNS and make sure this is turned on. Click on the drop down arrow next to DNS Provider and click on Google Public DNS. Now, once you've done this, you can go in, close out of this window, and you'll just need to restart your Chrome browser. You could then try refreshing the page of your website and you could check to see if it's now working. If you're still having an issue, then come up to the address bar at the top and you'll see this text here, HTTPS. You just need to go and delete the S from HTTP and then you can press enter. Now, if it's still not working, you can click on Advanced in this message here, and then you can click on this option to proceed to and the website, and that will take you directly over to the website.